Hey guys, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products, and we're back with another Boost It. As you can see in front of me, we got some heavy duty ball joints. Now, in your truck, if you've got some abnormal tire wear or maybe some random shaking or vibrations in your front end and you've essentially tracked it down to your ball joints, this kit is awesome replacement for every situation. Lifetime warranty, whether you're sled pulling, jumping your truck, just simply driving it down the road. If you break it, Kryptonite will replace it. Heat treated chromoly shafts, they also come serviceable so you can grease them, but as you get them at your doorstep out of the box, they are greased and ready to slap in your truck. It's a direct press in replacement and will cover all of your needs and hopefully will be the last set of ball joints you ever have to get for your truck. If you want to check them out, come give us a visit at dieselpowerproducts.com.